Strike action is currently ongoing at Caymanas Park, and the race meets for this weekend are in doubt. Now, this as disgruntled stakeholders decided not to nominate horses as they showed their displeasure in the stalled purse increase negotiations with promoters SVREL.
Well, what we have to do now is just leave the premises and make nomination go on hold till further notice.
And walk out they did at a fiery and contentious stakeholders meeting at Caymanas Park on Tuesday. The main bone of contention is the $27 million offered by SVREL for purses.
The trainers, owners and grooms are suffering. $27 million equates to about $3,000 to a purse. It is non-acceptable.
The other bone? They say SVREL has been less than honest in reporting their earnings to the stakeholders. The stakeholders say SVREL stated that their earnings in 2022 was $5.3 billion. But when they asked the Betting, Gaming and Lotteries Commission, it said the figures were in fact $6.3 billion. The BGLC explains.
SVREL has since come back and gave us what I consider a plausible explanation as to what could have happened. That they said it was 5.3, but this number they gave us actually included the simulcast numbers within that number, and that doesn't form part of the agreement with you. In discussion with SVREL to actually give us the evidence, because for you, you want to verify what they're saying is true. On our side, we need to verify that what they're saying is true.
Now stakeholders say the next move is up to SVREL as a fare increase based on the earnings of the promoters is long overdue.
We are not saying that we must get any money that cannot be substantiated, you know. But the owners, the grooms, the trainers, everybody is suffering at the track.
You're not waiting on no purse increase for our increase, but every owner, I mean, Mr. Smelly have a good meeting, and the good meeting we have, yes, you deserve an increase, but we are waiting for the purse. I talk to a lot of owners, oh yes, you well deserve it, but we are waiting for the purse. We can't wait for the purse now, so we want a figure, and just make all of us go home. You not get nothing, or you get something. Make we know. Because we now wait another week for our increase.
Meanwhile, the promoters say the money is simply not there.
Okay, and when I got this plant in 2019, it was in the most dilapidated state.
And Solomon, and that's why I
tomorrow morning, everybody's here is going to come at me to say the stall need to fix, the truck need to this need to do, that need to do, that need to do. Where is all this money coming from?
And an ominous warning is sound.
We need some horses. We only have 1,100. We need some horses. This game is purely about field sizes. It's a straight numbers game. Yeah. Any business that you're involved in, and if you don't embrace change, prepare to die.
We're dying anyway.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.